Guys, so I'm at home, and I'm guessing you probably are too, because we haven't been in school for a while. I have been talking to Miss Candy a lot, and wanted to tell you guys that we both miss you very, very much, and we wish we could be at school with you guys, but since we can't, I decided to make you this video, and I wanted to read you a story. The story I picked for you is But No Elephants. So this was my favorite book when I was your all's age, and I made my mom read it to me all the time, and she got really tired of reading it. But it's my favorite, and I wanted to share it with you. So, But No Elephants by Jerry Smash. Grandma Tildy lived all alone. She worked hard every day. She had no time to play. One day, a man came to her house. He was selling pets. "Would you like to buy a canary bird?" asked the man. Very well," said Grandma Tildy, "but no elephants." Grandma Tildy was cooking stew. The bird wanted to help, so he sang a song for her. It made Grandma Tildy happy. That night, they sat down to eat the stew together, and it tasted better than before. The next day, the man came again. "Would you like to buy a beaver?" he asked. Very well," said Grandma Tildy, "but no elephants." Grandma Tildy needed firewood. The beaver wanted to help, so he cut the wood with his sharp teeth. That night, they sat in front of a warm fire. Grandma Tildy went shopping. She met the pet man again. "Would you like to buy a turtle?" he asked. Very well," she said, "but no elephants." Grandma Tildy was tired. The turtle wanted to help, so he carried her home on his back. That night, Grandma Tildy washed the turtle and put him to bed. The next day, it rained hard. The roof started to leak. Then, someone knocked on the door. It was you-know-who. "Would you like to buy a woodpecker?" the pet man asked. Very well," said Grandma Tildy, "but no elephants." The woodpecker wanted to help, so he nailed the roof down tight. The dripping stopped. That night, they all danced together in the warm, dry house. The days got colder and colder. Grandma Tildy put food in jars for the winter. "I don't like the cold," she said. Just then, the pet man appeared. "Would you like to buy an elephant?" he asked. "He's the only animal left. I'm asleep before it snows." "No! No elephants!" shouted Grandma. She went back to her work, and the pet man left. But the elephant stayed. It started to snow, and it kept snowing. And snowing, and snowing, and snowing. "No elephants," said Grandma Tildy. The elephant would not go. They could not see the elephant now, but they could still hear him crying. They felt sad. "Very well," said Grandma Tildy. "You may come in." The elephant was as happy as could be. But the elephant had a problem. He could not get through the door, so they helped push him inside. "Oh, dear," said Grandma Tildy, "but I hope the floor is strong. This is a very old house." Outside, the snow kept falling, but inside, it was cozy and warm. Everyone hoped winter would go away and spring would come soon. That night, there was a terrible crash. The elephant had fallen through the floor. "We cannot fix this," said Grandma. "You will just have to stay there." The winter was long. Soon the firewood was gone. The elephant was always hungry. He kept eating and eating and eating until all the food was gone. "We cannot leave or we'll freeze," said Grandma Tildy. "We cannot stay or we'll starve. Oh, what do we do?" The elephant felt sorry. Then he thought of a way to help. He started to walk. He walked and walked and walked and walked. When he stopped, they were in a warm, sunny place. And that is where Grandma Tildy and her friends are today. The end. Well, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you're having fun at home with your families. I miss you. Miss Candy misses you. And we both love all of you guys very much. So I hope you are having fun with your families and taking advantage of this warm weather and getting outside. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.